Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, my name is Yusuf Al-Fatih Jilani and I'm from 10th grade FPL. In this occasion, I'm I'm gonna explain my presentation about HTML and CSS basics. So, what is HTML? As you can see here, HTML is hypertext markup language, the skeleton that gives website their structure and content. Why it matters? Because every web page starts with HTML. It tells browser what content to wanna display and how to organize it. As you can see here also, there is heading. Yes, what is the function of heading? Read the titles and organize content heresy. And number 2, there is paragraphs. What is paragraph? Paragraph is display blocks and of readable text content. And number 3, there is links. As the name links, the function links is contact web page and navigate the web. And last, there is image. And as the name also, add visual elements and graphics. So next, for CSS. What is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheets, the artist that makes website beautiful and visually appealing. And why it's essential and why we must use this CSS? Because CSS is transform plain HTML into gorgeous professional website with colors, fonts, and layout. Okay, I'm gonna explain 3 number for the CSS. Number 1 is colors. As the name colors, set background.
Color.
Number 2, there is fonts. So name colors, fonts, the function colors is set background, colors, typography that creates your brand style. And number 3, there is layout. Position, colors, and create responsive design. Okay, next, slide number 3, there is HTML versus CSS, the dynamic duo. Okay, in there, what the difference of HTML and CSS? The HTML provides structure and content, and defines what appears on the page and creates the foundation. Yes, there is HTML versus CSS, the dynamic duo. So, what is different between HTML and CSS? In the CSS, there is provide structure and content, and defines what appears on the page, and creates the foundation and like the frame of a house. And for CSS, control styles and appearance, and defines how content looks. And for CSS, there is control style and appearance, and defines how content looks and create the visual design like the pen and decor. So just think of HTML as the blueprint and CSS as the interior designer, both essential for beautiful result. Okay, next, code examples, see it in action. Okay, for the example code, like here, HTML structure, there is H1, H1. Welcome to my sites, and there is close. This is opening and this is close. Like here, there is tag P. This is paragraph of text. This is P tag open and this is close. And there is link or take a herb about .html. Nah, this is ini ya apa? The like that lah.
Astagfirullah.
There is take a where take a is function of navigation web. Nah, and next there is take img. Like the name, as the name, the img is the function of add image, the simple text that defines content and structure. Okay, and now CSS styling. Like here we can see there is four text. For one, color blue. This is for setting of H1 color, and two, and next font size 24 px. This is for setting the font size of H1, and P color gray, like that. This is for setting the color of P, and line head. This is for setting the head of the line P. Rules that make content look beautiful and engaging. Okay, next, together all HTML and CSS add or together there is can make web magic. Okay, the first process is start with HTML. Create your content structure with headings, paragraphs, and links. This is for skeleton, yeah. And number two, add CSS magic. Apply colors, fonts, spacing, layout to transform the appearance. And number three, beautiful result. And finally, we can see beautiful result of HTML and CSS magic. When HTML and CSS work together, ordinary content becomes extraordinary web appearance that engage and delight user. Okay, next. HTML it's what you say, and CSS is how you say it. Master these building blocks and you'll have the power to create any website you can imagine. And so start coding today. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.